Oh yeah, start recording.
Okay, so what we're doing here is we're paper prototyping a project for one of our classes. And the idea of the product is that we don't think that people know enough about we don't think people know enough about how their products are made. So we're going to try to inform people, and we're going to do that by making a plugin that gives people like an amount of information regarding the products they're about to buy on Amazon.
Okay.
So, of these 4 categories, which one do you think you identify most with?
I think number 1.
Number 1?
Yeah.
Great, good to know. Awesome. So, what we're going to be doing is, so let's pretend like you're trying to buy a speaker, and you've installed this plugin, which is our application, and you're going to use this plugin along with Amazon to find the most sustainable speaker. So we have a set of tasks that we'd like you to complete, and basically we're going to be acting as like the computers and moving stuff around.
Okay.
And you just have to worry about using this as you normally would.
Okay.
Great. So first thing we want you to do is to set your consciousness preferences.
The pens.
Oh, where's the pen?
Okay.
Yes, and you can use the pen to click on things.
Just tap on it to click it.
So yeah, we go there. And then,
So you see this.
okay. Okay. So then you just poop. Okay. I get the idea though. And then
Great. Okay, so now we're going to need you to find out the consciousness rating for a product. And by a product, we mean speaker.
okay. And that's what it is.
So you have to interact with this screen. Okay, that's right.
Um,
Oh, yeah. Great.
So how do you calculate the scores?
That is for you to find out.
Okay. Okay. So, well, okay, that's
You can try.
why I didn't know speakers were this expensive. Wow. Yeah. So we'll go with that one, I guess.
So you see this.
Okay.
Okay.
What
Remember the task is find out the consciousness rating for a product.
Yeah.
All right.
So
She clicked on this.
that. Okay.
This pops up.
Okay. And then
Well, that was the
I
end.
want to know the question mark thing.
Great.
Okay. So these are based on what the company reports, or
It's information that we'll find.
Okay.
We don't have to worry about it right now.
Okay.
This is mainly about
That's
design.
Okay. Yeah.
Neutral third-party information. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. And if I click on workers' rights,
Hmm?
if I click on workers' rights or animal, well, yeah, you get
This.
Mhm.
Okay. So these are worker rights for the company and not for the material, or
Yes. It's for all of them.
oh, for all of them. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay.
Great. Well, that's it.
Okay.
Yeah, so actually none of the users actually noticed that our plugin actually turned green, which is supposed to be an indication of that they should click it, but most did not observe it, and because of that they couldn't actually find the filter and preferences option.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then most of them didn't know what the filters and preferences did until after they used it, which I feel like it'd be great for us to like say what it does beforehand.
And also, many users do not familiar with the plugin. They don't know actually what it means, and they are not familiar with the high technology we created. So,
Yeah, so I guess from that maybe we could, since most users couldn't find our filter function, maybe instead of hiding it inside the plugin, we can actually perhaps display on the main page so it's more obvious and they can actually change it from there.
Yeah, and another thing is instead of having the green button be solid green, have it be flashing green. That way they understand that it's changed.
yeah, for those users who are not familiar with the plugin, we can introduce more information about the plugin and make them aware of the technology that we used.
Yeah.